If you want to control embedded content in Google Chrome, whether that means enabling it or disabling it for better privacy and security, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is especially useful if websites are asking to use embedded information and you want to decide which sites are allowed and which ones are blocked. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where all the browser settings are located. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. After that, on the left side or in the main settings area, depending on your version of Chrome, click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps most of the controls related to your browsing data, website permissions, and security preferences. Next, click Site Settings. Site Settings is the section where you can manage what websites are allowed to access, request, or use on your browser. Now scroll down through the list of permissions until you find Embedded Content. When you see it, click on it to open the Embedded Content settings. Here, you'll see the options that control how websites handle embedded content requests. If you want to enable embedded content, select Sites can ask to use information. This means websites will be allowed to request permission to use embedded content, and you can decide on a case-by-case basis whether to allow it. This is the better option if you want flexibility and still want control over your browser experience. On the other hand, if you want to disable embedded content, select Sites are blocked from asking you to use information. This will prevent websites from even asking for access, which is useful if you want a more private, restricted browsing setup. Once you choose the setting that matches your preference, Chrome will save the change automatically. There's no extra button needed, so once you've selected the option, you're finished. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable embedded content in Google Chrome in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Chrome tips, browser settings guides, and helpful tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.